It's a new year at Clementon Park, which means there's going to be a lot of new food. Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we're here at Clementon Park in Clementon, New Jersey, pretty close to Philadelphia. And we are here to do our Let's Eat at Clementon Park. Now, I know we did one last year, but every year they get so many new types of food and options here. So I felt like, you know what, we got to show you what's new here at Clementon Park food-wise. But before we get started, if you look over to your right-hand side, you're going to see the different categories that we have here for the food. So the first one is signature restaurants. That's what I consider to be the best restaurant. It might not be the fanciest, but it's definitely one that you need to check out when you're at the park. Second one is table service. Now, here at Clementon, there's not much table service. That is basically where you sit down, the waitress takes your meal, and all that kind of stuff there. Not really relevant here over at Clementon Park. The next one after that is the quick serve. Those are the ones that you actually go to, and you go up there, I want a slice of pizza. They give you a slice of pizza, and everybody's happy. And last but not least is bars and snack bars. And here at Clementon Park, believe it or not, they've got alcohol, people. So you can actually grab a couple drinks, 1, 2, 5, 7, whatever floats your boat there. If you're in the loop, guys, probably about 12 or 13. But that's what those are here. So without further ado, let's show you all the food options that you have in Clementon Park in 2025. All right, so right here's guest services, and right here's the Flying Pharaoh, which is giving me a nice breeze. But new for this year is a brand new coffee truck here, Traveling Tom's Coffee. All right, so what this is pretty much, you got the frozen drinks and iced drinks. So this is Traveling Tom's Coffee truck here, and you got frap all day. So the different frozen ones you have here are hot chocolate, caramel frap, French vanilla, mocha, white chocolate, and salted caramel. Over here you actually have more of options that you can have. And then over here you got the ice side. You got tilted, nitro energy, orange, pineapple, and berry, $10 there. Nitro cold brew for $11, cold brew $9, ice mocha for $11, and then you got $10 for lattes, matchas, and all that. So those are the prices there, very reasonable here. But right here in the heart of everything, the Flying Falcon is where you can actually find Traveling Tom's Coffee. All right, so here we are at the main entrance, and as soon as you come in here, the first thing you're going to see is a Dippin' Dots. So right here, this is Dippin' Dots and water ice. It's Cool Breezes is actually frozen treats. And when you come over here, they got pretty much anything you kind of want there. They got water ice there, small and large, soft serve, they got and hard. They got waffle cones, sundaes, milkshakes, smoothies, gelatis, and the whole 9 yards here. So if you're a hot day like today, you definitely want to come here and grab some frozen treats by Cool Breeze. All right, so we're all the way in the back of the park here. Right there is Hellcat, right there is King Neptune's. And here you've got Clementon Grill, Fry Company, and Fast Track Snacks. So right here, seating right here, but this would be what you would consider to be the main food court here. You got hot dogs and all that. So coming over here, this is the Clementon Grill. And here you get cheeseburgers for $14, cheese steak empanadas for $12. Basically, you got fry basket for $11. You got buttermilk cornbread and all that. Empanadas are $7 and all that, churros. So that is the Clementon Grill here. And here, if you want to see the menu right there, empanadas are kind of neat. Fried cornbread for $5 is nice. Souvenir cups and all that. And then over on this side here, this is their Pizza Hut. So the Pizza Hut here, you got the different pricing. You can get by the slice, or you can get it by the pie. So, and for me, I don't have a Pizza Hut near me, so I always find that's good. But this is the main area here, Fast Track Snacks and Clementon Grill and Fries. All right, so we are about halfway done with our Let's Eat video here at Clementon Park and Splash World. So what do you think here? Anything catch your eye that really got you interested? Is the Tom's Coffee there, or some of the other locations here, you know, the Walking Tacos and stuff? Let us know in the comment section. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you soon on the other side about the food. All right, so this is Big Wave Bay, which is the largest wave pool in New Jersey. So we're gonna come over here, but we're here to show you food. So right over here, this is a Magic Scoops, which is actually their water ice. And you come over here, they actually got the prices right here on the side. You've got the water ice is blueberry, cherry, mango, cotton candy, and rainbow. And then you also got pretzels and cheese pretzels. And here, this is the big new thing for this year, soul tacos. So over here, you got beef tacos, chicken tacos, 17, walkie tacos, 12. You got nachos also, and you can watch them cook it right there. That's always good. But this is brand new for this year, so if you're over here at the water park, why not grab a walking taco? All right, so is the funnel cake factory in the dry park? Or is it in the water park? And you know what the answer to that is? It's yes. So here you actually have two stores right here in this main one here. You got the funnel cake factory and you have Get Slush. So with the funnel cake factory right here, you've got the menu right here in front of us. You've got a typical funnel cake is, looks like it is $11, but you can get some with s'mores. You can get the Big Wave Bay, which is Oreos, chocolate chip cookies and all that. Ring of Fire is red velvet, strawberry shortcake, and you got ice cream flavors here, fried Oreos and all that kind of stuff here. So that's on the funnel cake side. And when you come over here, you got the slushy side, which is small slushy is $8, large is $10. You have lemon shake-ups for $10, and then you got strawberry, lemonade, mango, and watermelon, which I might get, and even popcorn here. So either if you're in the dry park or the over in the dry park or you're over in the water park, either way you can get funnel cakes and some slushies. All right, so we're here in Splash World. So there's a lot of different food options here, but the one thing I want to definitely show you here, because it's a little bit nestled in the back, so it's easy to miss unless you know where you're supposed to go. And like I said, right here is Big Wave Bay. Right here's the restrooms, and right here is a bar, people. There's actually a bar back here, and if you know, you know. But let's show you what they have here for this year over here at the bar. So the bar menu is right here. So you got Club Tails for $15, and those are Sunny Margaritas, Long Island iced teas, and Bahama Mamas. You got teas here, Surfside iced tea with vodka or twisted tea for $14. They got the cocktails, Sambo's Sunrise, King Neptune's Margarita, because that's the best log flume ever. Big Wave Bay, because there's Big Wave. That's Malibu, cranberry juice, Ring of Fire, and then you got adult slushies, strawberry pina colada. You got beers, and then you got the premium cocktails, Kahana Island, Lazy Henry, and Hellcat, and then Tropical Shipwreck Margarita. So you got anything you can want right here at the bar menu. So if you got to go to the bathroom, you might as well fill back up right here. All right, we're over here in Splash World, and one of the problems with coming here during the day, during the week, is sometimes things aren't open. So this is the Arctic Oasis Frozen Cocktails, and it's closed right now, which is quite a bummer, because that's a great place to get a drink while you're in the water park. But there is another bar that when you're here. But the other thing that's really big here is, and they've been here forever, is Wing Kitchen here. So they've been here the whole time for years, and their menu is pretty good here. They got boneless wings for $12. They've got chef's chicken sandwich for $12 and all that. So this is the main food area, and you actually got seating right here. But a little secret here, you also have seating up there. So if you're looking to go on a sun deck, you can actually go right up there to the sun deck, grab some food here. But this has been a staple of the Wing Kitchen since we've been coming to Clementon Park, and they're here for another season. And this is probably the best place to grab some food here at the water park. All right, so right here's their lazy river, which is one of the best lazy rivers we've been to. And that is Let's Eat at Clementon Park and Splash World. So what was your favorite spot there? Was there a particular, did you like Tom's Coffee? Were you interested in the taco truck that's new? How about the regular food court there with the Pizza Hut people, with the real Pizza Hut? Let us know in the comment section here. And once again, make sure you hit Clementon Park in 2025. You got a lot of rides that are being, reconstructed and all that stuff, but the water park is going 100%. So if you're over here at Clementon Park, grab a bite to eat and spend the day. And I can't wait to see you in the queue in 2025.